Okay, hopefully the fan is not too loud. It's just, we live in an old home. We don't have an AC. We have a cooler that's on top of the ceiling, and that's it. So I wanted to show you guys what I made today. This is my first time making it. I've been wanting a Concha pop socket. So I had, and I'll put pictures in because I didn't even think about YouTube. I just posted on Facebook and Instagram. But anyways, I have a black pop socket for this. I ordered this online on Amazon, like a sarape case, and I couldn't find a Concha pop socket. I did find one online, but they kept on selling out. And what I ended up deciding to do was just, why don't I just make my own? So it's my first time working with clay. Well, not exactly. In high school I worked with clay. So what I did is I made it into a shape of a concha. I did the bottom part first, and then without any tools, that's what I used. A toothpick, X-Acto knife, medicine cup, a stiff, what is that called? A stencil brush, the one that you pound, and I think that's it. So that's how it came out. So I wish I would have, darn it, but I'll put a picture. So yeah, that's what my little conchita looks like. I'm excited. I'm waiting for 72 hours. I used E6000, so it supposedly takes 72 hours for a complete hold. So after 72 hours, which is 3 days, I'm going to test it out and see if it stays. If it stays, I'm actually thinking I might make some other forms, but like I said, I've never messed with clay, so I have no idea what I'm doing or what I was doing. But I absolutely love it. It's super cute, and I can't wait to put this on my phone.